As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, the 5ers is a proprietary trading firm that offers a funding program for traders. Here are some key points about the 5ers. Funding program. The primary service provided by the 5ers is a funding program for traders. Traders can apply to become funded by the 5ers, and if accepted, they receive trading capital to use in the financial markets. Risk management. The 5ers typically has strict risk management rules and guidelines that funded traders must adhere to. This helps to protect both the traders and the firm's capital. Profit sharing. The funding provided by the 5ers is often on a profit-sharing basis. This means that traders share a portion of their profits with the firm, and in return, they get to use the provided capital for trading. Trading objectives. Traders funded by the 5ers usually have specific trading objectives and performance targets that they need to achieve to continue receiving funding. Evaluation periods. The firm may have evaluation periods during which traders' performance is assessed. Successful traders may be eligible for increased funding based on their trading results. Educational resources. Some proprietary trading firms, including the 5 offer educational resources and support to help traders improve their skills and performance. Global reach. The 5ers, like many similar firms, may accept traders from around the world, allowing a diverse range of individuals to participate in their funding program. It's essential to note that details about the services and terms offered by the 5 have changed since my last update. For the most accurate and current information, please visit their official website or contact the 5ers directly.